Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Aussi's Drives. I'm very excited today because we got invited by Audi. So stay tuned to find out about all the cars that they're offering us. Today we're driving something very special, and it is the transporter's car. The car for the lunatics, the car for the guys, the businessmen, the best Audi has to offer, and it's the Audi S8 from 2022. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant machine, looking incredible. Make sure to check out our interior and exterior review on it. We're driving currently in efficient mode, so I'll switch to auto because here we have a couple of driving modes. Let me explain that a little further. We have efficiency, auto, dynamic, comfort plus, and individual. Currently we're hovering in efficiency. I'll put it into auto. Auto means it chooses itself. What we can also do is, because we're sort of in a curvy road, we can go to dynamic. So while we are in dynamic, let me tell you about the stats of the car. So we have a 4-liter V8 TFSI engine with 571 horsepower, 800 newton meters of torque. It's a V8 B-turbocharged engine, an absolutely pinnacle of Audi V8 engines, man. Really, really nice. 800 newton meters of torque is absolutely brutal and accelerates the car from 0 to 100 in 3.8 seconds, man. That is really fast. That's blistering fast for such a big car. What is also interesting is this car has an air suspension, so it kind of lifts up, lowers it while you're driving, depending on how the road condition is and where you are. And what is also interesting is it tops out at 250 kph. Not because it couldn't drive faster, just because they limited it electronically. It has 2.3 tons, but feels absolutely brilliant. Such a fast machine. So to show you that, I will stop here and I will do a launch control start. So 3.8 seconds is what they claim. Let's start. Left foot on the brake. Pow! Whoop, there was 120. Boy, oh boy, this is really, really fast, man. 2.3 tons. I mean, when you compare it to the 7 Series, the latest one, it's like a sports car compared to it. This is really, really a machine, man. This is really a machine. Compared to the 7 Series, the latest one, I mean, that takes 4.6 seconds to 100. The i7, or let's say the S63 is sort of in the same category as this, but it's really a fast car. Let's see if we can engage in launch control. I didn't even do a launch control start. So let's put it into dynamic. S, let's stop here. Left foot on the brake, right foot on the throttle. Pow! Yes, sir! Hey man, this is really a fast car. This is really a fast car. To be honest, you shouldn't try this actually with an S8. But the problem is, this car gives me such a sense of security and it feels so good on the steering wheel that I don't mind in trying that. I mean, it's really a driver-oriented car. And it's funny to say that because when you're sitting in an S-Class or a 7 Series, you wouldn't want to drive that car because you would like to sit in the passenger seat, in the back passenger seat and enjoy. Here, I really feel a sense, a big urge to drive. So that's what we should do. I'll turn off the ESP, well, because I am pretty sure about my capabilities. And let's see how that goes. Oh, it pulls really good, man. It really pulls good. I mean, look at that. Oh, and carbon ceramic brakes. This is absolutely brilliant. How this car goes. And look at that. Holy shit, man. And hard on the brakes. So stable. Pah! Oh my God. We have to drive that road again. I mean, you would even feel safe in driving this car on the track. I mean, when you drive an S-Class, you would never say something like that. Never in life. Let's put it into manual. But this is just blistering fast, man. First gear. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Second, Come on, man, this is really incredible. You gotta admit that. Let's do it one more time. From 0, look at that. Five gears. And this is an automatic, it's called the 8-speed Tiptronic. That is impressive, man. That is really impressive. I wouldn't, of course, I wouldn't say it's driving like a sports car, but it's really good. For such a big and long limousine, man, this is really, really good. It's so fast, such a fast car. I have to tell you, I like it. Let's see how it is in Comfort Plus. Incredible driver's car. As strange as it might sound, but this is really a good car, man. I mean, the acceleration, just a pull. Oh. I do like it. This is fantastic. This is really interesting. This is really a great feeling, man. Listen to that. Hear that? Put it into manual. You know, the boost comes right at the blink of 4,000 RPMs, but then it punches really forward. The shift surprised me the most. This is an automatic, man, but it shifts so fast. It's a fantastic car. It's a fantastic car. Fuel consumption, they say about 10.1 liters. I think you could really manage to do that because it's very, very slippery through wind. It's a great car. It has a good CW, so you could manage to do that. 8 gears, that is okay for such a big car. Me, of course, I'm driving it at 15 liters square because we're testing the car a little bit out. But I mean, the brakes are just... Let me accelerate from 0 to 110 to 0 again, just to show you what that means with this car, man. First gear, go. That was 100 and down. Wow, and that is 0. And this is all downhill. I mean, that's as far as I can take it. What else would you expect me to say? The car is, it's brilliant. It really is. I'm a big fan of the S8. Never thought I would say it, but this is a brilliant car. And thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like. And friends, as always, see you on the next one. Goodbye.